this is so pretty. Hi guys, so get ready with me to go to bank because I have a lot of works to do. I have postponed so many days क्योंकि I was so lazy. जाने का मन ही नहीं हो रहा है और जब जाएगा सोचने से धूप इतना बड़ा हो के इतना गर्मी होता है. So आज का मौसम is also very nice. So I thought कि आज ही चला जाएगा और पोस्टपोन नहीं करना चाहिए. So before doing any makeup or my skincare, I have to charge this. पहले इसको चार्ज कर लेने से चार्ज करके रखेगा जब तक हम स्किन केयर कर लेगा. उसके बाद then I will use this. So this is a toner from Tony Moly. I really love this. The quantity, the quality, everything. This is 500 ml and I use this on daily basis. ये इतना अच्छा है. This is so moisturizing. This is toner का moisturizer. So I really love this. I think you should give it a try. इतना बड़ा, I think it will हो जाएगा आराम से 5-6 महीना तो. This is so nice, very moisturizing. I love this. This is so good. This glides very beautifully. I really love how it feels afterwards. This is very nice and I mostly apply 2 layers of this. And जब ये पहला सूख जाएगा देखो सूखे, this is so bouncy. So again I take this much of amount. This is all acne marks. This all. I don't think if you have too much of skincare, it will make your skin glow within a month or a week. ऐसा नहीं होता है. You just have to know what your skin type is and what problems you have. So उसके हिसाब से you have to buy the exact product और try करो कौन सा है. Within 3-4 months तक use करना चाहिए एक product को आपको जानने के लिए. So do not jump on एक use करके एक. Never do like that. So after my serum, I'm not gonna apply moisturizer because then it will be too oily because I have already applied the toner cum moisturizer. इसीलिए and I'm just gonna apply directly sunscreen. Sunscreen is very essential. Never forget sunscreen. And sunscreen it will not help you to brighten your skin or help you from काला होने से, but it will just help you from UV rays which is very harmful. So मत सोचो कि सनस्क्रीन लगाने से आप वाइट है तो वाइट ही रह जाएगा. It's not like that. It's just gonna help you with the rays that is harmful. So never forget your sunscreen and again leave it for 5 minutes क्योंकि सनस्क्रीन को भी ऐसा स्किन में एब्जॉर्ब होने के लिए टाइम लगता है. So don't jump very quickly. Just leave it for 5 minutes. लेकिन अगर आपका पास टाइम नहीं है तो then you can always जल्दी करके चला जाओ. But I have a lot of time, so I think हम अपना मेकअप यही में रहने देगा because I'm so hungry. पहले खाना खा लेगा उसके बाद then I will मेकअप proceed करेगा. So this is a handmade achar my mummy बनाया था. I really like this. Just that's it. तो अपना खाना भी खा लिया and I am so full right now and very energetic. So my makeup is only going to be मतलब कि face में I will only apply concealer. Because I will only apply concealer just here, not everywhere, just where I needed it to be, just like that, and a dry sponge. And this is our Etude lip tint. I use this as my plus because this gives very natural wala look. Around my nose. I will use this, so you have to press this and it will turn green. So it will start to heat. Give this a couple of seconds and it will turn heat and it will be heated. So जब तक वो गर्म हो रहा है, I will do my eyebrows just on the outer corners. So अभी ये बहुत गर्म हो गया है. What I'm gonna do is जैसे नॉर्मल करते हैं वैसे ही करो. ऐसा ऐसा प्रेस करते रहो. No, this looks so pretty. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे लेस लिफ्ट करवाया है. This is so pretty. अभी let's apply mascara. Mascara लगाने से और कितना सुंदर हो जाएगा. I am so excited. Oh my god. Oh my, this is so pretty. This looks so good, so pretty. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे मेरा आँख ऐसा ऐश्वर्या राय का बन गया, but this is so pretty. I like this. This is my lip tint. This is so pretty. This gives very natural look. Very natural, very effortless beauty. So this is, so my makeup is done. It's like I don't like full face of makeup जहाँ में पूरा दिखता है कि यहाँ में blush है, यहाँ में highlighter है, यहाँ में ऐसा करके है. I don't like that. I just want to be जैसे कि वो लोग देखने से भी उसका natural skin है क्या, natural है क्या, ऐसा type. So that's how I like. Blush is very neutral. मतलब कि नहीं लग रहा है blush ज़्यादा है, but in reality it's hair blush दिखाई दे रहा है, but in phone पता नहीं क्यों दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. It's just. So my face is all done. So now let's pick an outfit. So let's try to build an outfit. I think I will wear this like an underneath me. I will wear this t-shirt. I mean more of a dress under jeans or jeans under dress, like that. This is very cute, but the problem is this is 2 tones of whites, so it's really clashing. This is so cute, but the different whites it's not working, so I have to change to another outfit. I think it's going to be denim on denim because it's very windy and I have to stay protected. और पता नहीं शाम लग जाएगा आते आते शायद से, because when I go to market I have to visit thrift markets. Second hand कपड़ा नहीं देखेगा तो जाके भी क्या फ़ायदा. I really love basics, minimalist clothing because that's how I look. I think minimal clothes makes you look sophisticated agar you know how to carry yourself. And I'm adding this one because this is from my aunt, mummy ka behan. So this is very cute. This looks like asli ka sona. I love this. And this is my bag. इसको ही हम हर जगह ले जाते हैं. Here is my purse. I really need a new purse. Please guys, आपको बस पैसा होने से हमको खरीद दो एक purse. I don't have any money right now. This is my lip tint. Vaseline is a must. Without Vaseline, I don't go anywhere. And that's it. and that's it. Let's go to bank. So I'm gonna tie my hair because it's so windy. It's so windy. I don't want कि मेरा बाल खराब हो जाए और बहुत frizzy हो जाता है when it's very windy. So I'm gonna keep it protected. Jimmy. So finally I have reached. It is so cloudy but still very hot. Maybe because I have wore jeans or I don't know, मगर गरम इतना पसीना निकला हमको. So I went to bank and बहुत जल्दी हो गया. So in the market I spent 3 hours something, 3 घंटा ऐसा. So I will show you how my lashes are. This बहुत पहला जैसा तो बहुत ऐसा curved नहीं है, but this is still curved. Not on the phone, but in real it's a bit curved. दिखाई तो देता है, but not in the phone. So let me show you what I got. Ching ching. Can you see? It's Adidas. Please don't come for me. This is a copy of Adidas Samba. So असली तो नहीं ले पाता है, but कोई बात नहीं, कॉपी लेने में क्या हो गया. So I got this. This is so pretty. I mean, just look at the color. This is so pretty, guys. The color, oh my god. उसने बहुत सारा color था, but I went for this one. I really like this color. I think I'm gonna use this for 5 years. हम दिखाएगा आपको, हम 5 years तो use करेगा. I know how to use. Then I went for second hand कपड़ा लेने के लिए, but कपड़ा इतना अच्छा नहीं था, so I ऐसे घुस किया हुआ दीदी की दुकान में. वो दीदी इतना अच्छा है. She always gives me discount, so I just went for looking something ऐसा ही देख लेगा बोल के. पैसा नहीं था, but I went for this. I got this. This is so pretty, guys. Please, this is so pretty. I also got the box. This is first copy, जो कि अच्छा copy है next to original. So I like that. Please don't come for me कि हम original नहीं पहनते हैं, but इसने हम इतना गरीब है, original ले ही नहीं सकता है. So please. So this is the only thing that I got. And मार्केट में बहुत घूमा और बारिश भी आने वाला था, तो हम जल्दी आ गए क्योंकि हम छतरी नहीं ले गया था. So इसलिए I came back very fast.